Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about insects and their different life cycles and how we identify insects. So in the next slide you will see me explaining to you the different life cycles of bumblebees as well as how we identify different parts of an insect. So one of the very important parts of an insect we talk about is their life cycle. That way we're able to study them properly. So today I'm going to be talking about a bee's life cycle. So they first start out as an egg and they will stay that way for about 3 days. So as an egg, they are laid by the queen bee, and if they're laid in a smaller worker-sized cell, they become a female. The females are the workers of the hive and they tend to take care of it the most. If it's laid in a bigger cell, they will develop into a male drone bee. Male drone bees are mostly used just to assist in creating the eggs, as well as flying out at the end of winter to make sure it's safe, going out and finding better places to put hives. Then after that, they become a larva. So larvas, when they're healthy, are snow white and they resemble small grubs. They will grow very quickly and shed skin 5 times, and they will be fed royal jelly, honey, and pollen. Worker bees will seal the larva into the cell with beeswax, and inside there, they will spin themselves a cocoon around their bodies, and they will stay that way for about 5 days. After that, they will become a pupa. The pupa is inside their beeswax. They begin taking shape. They become colored, they begin to get eyes, and they start to grow hair on their thorax, which they use for sensing small enclosed spaces and weather change. At about 16 days, they will become an adult. So when they become an adult, they will chew its way out of the cocoon and join the other bees and become a part of the bee life cycle. They are also one of 925,000 species. Most entomologists, so bug scientists, have estimated there are anywhere between 2 and 30 million species out there. Now we've talked about the life cycle of insects, we're going to talk about the parts of an insect. So this one is a poster of parts of an ant. So first I have the head. So unlike my drawing, most ants actually have 3 eyes, but they actually have really bad eyesight. So that's why they have antennae. Antennae are what they use to recognize other parts of their nest mates, as well as enemies and other obstacles they are going to have. Next we have the legs. So most insects have 6 legs. Anything more, they are no longer considered an insect. They're mostly considered an arachnid. So like a spider has 8 legs, so they are not considered an insect. Next, we have the thorax. So the thorax is the middle of the insect. So that is what connects the abdomen to the head, as well as holds the legs. So there's actually one vein that runs from the abdomen, so back here, to the head that runs directly through the middle of the ant that can draw blood from the abdomen to the head to keep the ant alive. The abdomen also contains all of the organs that keep the ant alive. So their stomach, their reproductive organs, everything are in the abdomen, so at the very back of the ant. So thank you guys for listening to me explain insects. And at home, you guys can create your own insects. So remember, insects have 3 body parts, 2 antennas, 6 legs, and they can have wings if you want. So when you guys create your insects, have your parents tag us on Facebook so I can see all of your amazing insects you created. Have a great day and stay healthy.